In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up online payments in Xero. By the end, you'll have a smooth way for customers to pay your invoices online, which can speed up cash flow and reduce manual follow-up. First, log into your Xero account. Make sure you have the right permissions to manage sales and payment services. Once you're in, head to the main menu and click Sales. This is the hub for everything related to quotes, invoices, and of course, your online payment options. Inside Sales, select Online Payments. This takes you to a dedicated area where Xero centralizes payment connections and settings. You'll see an information page that outlines how online payments work in Xero. Take a moment to review it. You'll get a quick overview of how a Pay Now button is added to invoices, the types of providers you can connect, and any considerations around fees and settlement. Understanding this upfront helps you choose the right setup for your business and customers. When you're ready, click Start Setup. Xero will present a list of payment service providers that can process your customers' payments. Choose a payment service provider that fits your needs. Consider things like supported payment methods, transaction fees, the countries and currencies they support, and how quickly they pay out funds. If you already use a provider elsewhere in your business, sticking with the same one can simplify reconciliation and reporting. Next, click Add beside the provider you want to use. This launches a guided connection flow. Follow the setup instructions for the payment service. Depending on the provider, you may be asked to sign into an existing account or create a new one, confirm your business details, and accept their terms. Provide accurate information to avoid delays in verification. If the provider requires it, connect your bank account so payouts have somewhere to go. Use the business account you want to receive customer payments into, and double-check details like account name and currency to avoid payout issues. Back in Xero, review the online payment settings. These settings determine how the Pay Now button appears on your invoices, which payment methods are offered to customers, and which invoices or branding themes the payment option applies to. Confirm anything related to currency or region, and make sure the defaults align with your typical sales workflow. Finally, save or finish the setup. From here on, your invoices will include the online payment option you configured, making it easier for customers to pay promptly. That's it. Your online payments in Xero are ready to go.